seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, yeah.
Big college.
Yeah.
This thing is taking up the whole city.
No, I remember.
Guggenheim.
Sharks.
Oh,
Lord, I'm excited.
Remember.
You all know it, ma'am. The what?
It don't feel that bad.
Oh, the weather?
Yeah.
Aww. That was so cute. Oh.
On the spectacular Saturday.
Yeah, it was a little light. I'll take it. We're inside the loft, or better known as the room of... This room is filled with over 200 Coca-Cola artifacts from the beginning of its time to basically today. This isn't even the half of what we have to show you all throughout the duration of your journey. So, let's get ready to soak in as much as you can.
Y'all, we're at the taste it section of Coca-Cola, so we're about to taste all the Coca-Cola flavors. Well, this one's good. This one's real good. Which one is that? It's the apple kiwi Fanta. Trying to help her so she can get experience. Red cream soda. That one's really good. Tell her next. Oh, you can make it work. Oh, Chris. Yeah, I seen that. Cheese from the sides.
Purchase your tracks today.
Purchase your tracks today.
Original mixing bowl. So this is what it looked like back then. When you come up to the bar and get a cup of Coca-Cola for
Purchase your
5 cents.
tracks today.
These medals. Oh, these are the cups, Mama, you talking about you want? But like, when you go sit in the restaurant, you
Purchase
like,
your tracks today.
oh my goodness. It's a salt and shaker. Sorry. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper shaker. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hey, man. Hey y'all, so right now we're at the Slutty Vegan and we're about to get some food. I'm very much excited. Say hello. Gonna get some food. Hold on, baby. done that much talking today. This is day 2, I think, and I have not done any talking. I haven't explained nothing to y'all. I'm sorry, okay? So right now we just got back from doing the Martin Luther King, going looking at all that stuff, the Martin Luther King Museum Memorial, something like that. I need to get the name right. We also went to the mall. We got some little bit of stuff, and yeah. So right now I'm about to show you guys what I got. Okay, so I got stuff from Windsor, Bath and Body Works. I need some lotions real bad. And then this is from the Martin Luther King Memorial. I got books. So let me show you that first. I got this book. It says it's called All Labor Has Dignity, edited and introduced by Michael K. Honey. That's the first book. And I got another one. This is Stride Toward Freedom, the Montgomery Story by Martin Luther King Jr. Is this his book or somebody else's book on him? Okay, it's by him and his family. So this is this book. Let me know if y'all read any of these books because I need a little sneak peek. Tell me if it's interesting. I definitely reading this one first. I think this from the first page. I read like a little bit on the first page. It looks like it's gonna be a good book. This one's called A Time to Break Silence, the essential works of Martin Luther King Jr. for students. So here's the book. Definitely reading this one first. This looks very much interesting. And then he put these bookmarks in there from the memorial. I loved every part of it. Like, it was so much fun and very interesting. Like, since going there, it showed me the fact that I know nothing about Martin Luther King Jr. Okay, or Coretta Scott King. That's really sad. That's really sad. Anyways, so I'm about to show you what I got from the mall now. These are my books. We're taking these home for y'all. From Windsor, I got this green top. I didn't really get that much stuff. I tried it on. I tried on their shorts and they're not good at all. I do not like their shorts at all. This is a shirt. It's very cute. Plain green tank top. And then I got these white shorts. No, it's a skirt. But it goes perfect with this top. They're both like a little bit off-white, so they match perfectly. And then from Bath and Body Works, I got 4 lotions. It's buy 3 get 1 free, so I got 3 and then got 1 free. I got Champagne Toast, Sensual Amber, got that one, and then I got Butterfly. My sister has this one. It smelled so good, so I bought one. And then I got 1 vanilla sugar. I get this every time I get lotion from Bath and Body Works. This is the go-to, okay? I didn't show y'all what I got from the mall yesterday. 2 things from Zara. This is this like dress right here. I'm about to try it on actually because I did not try it on in the store. And then I got a jean 1-piece in the pants. It's literally so cute. My family was talking about it's not cute. They was like, ew. I was like, girl, when I put it on and you say it look good, I don't want to be hearing none of that. I don't want to hear none of it. Right now, I'm about to clean up the clothes all in my bed and then try on that dress. Hopefully my dad will be back with the food by then and I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna take a nap. I need to take a nap, okay? That's basically all we did today. We're probably not gonna do nothing else. Not me and my sisters. We're not doing nothing tonight. My parents, they're going out to this little comedy show thing, so yeah, they only got 2 tickets for that. I would go, but they only got 2 tickets. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all.